Hey there, are you searching for universities in Uttar Pradesh? Then let me introduce you to Sri Ram Swaroop Memorial University in Lucknow. It was established in 2012 by Uttar Pradesh government. It is accredited with NAC B plus grade and it is approved by AICTE, UGC, NCTE and AIU. SRMU offers 100 plus courses in different disciplines. Let's move on to fees and course details. So for BTech, the first year fees would be 1.37 lakh to 1.8 lakhs. The total program fee is 5.49 lakhs. For BCA, the first year fee is between 87,000 to 1.15 lakh. The total program fee is 3.75 lakhs. And for BBA, the first year fee is between 87,000 to 1.05 lakhs and the total program fee is 3.90 lakh. Eligibility is 45% or more marks in 10 plus 2 for all of them. The application deadline is 31 August 2025, so you better apply now. Moving on to additional courses and their fee detail. For BCom Honors, the fee is 92,000 for first year. For BSc, the fee is between 62,000 to 86,000 in first year. For MBA, the fee is 55,000 to 1.65 lakh in first year. And for D Pharma, the fee is 97,000 in first year. There are various scholarship opportunities which we will discuss later. Now, let's talk about complete placement data. So, the highest package in 2023 and 24 was 16 LPA, and the average package for 2023 and 24 is 4.2 LPA. SRMU has a dedicated placement cell which provides placement assistance to students. So, that's one plus point. Now, moving on to return on investment. For BTech, the total fee is 5.49 lakh. Average package provided is 4.2 lakh. So the ROI period will be 1.3 years. So in 1.3 years, you can recover all your money. For BCA and BBA, the fee are 3.75 and 3.90 lakh respectively, and the average package is again 4.2 LPA. So you can recover all your money. The ROI period is 0.9 years for both of them. Now let's compare SRMU to other universities in Lucknow. So SRMU has average fee of 2.5 lakh and the average package provided is 4.2 LPA. BBDU has average fee of 3.5 lakh and the average package is 8.4 LPA, which is pretty good. Amity University is quite expensive. It has 6 lakhs average fee and the average package provided is 8 LPA. While SRMU has lower fees, but it also provides lower placement packages. Now, for admission, eligibility and cutoff. First of all, let's talk about admission process. For admission, you have to visit SRMU website, you have to fill the online application form, and then you have to pay application fee of 500 rupees for diploma or 1000 rupee for other courses. Now let's discuss eligibility criteria. For undergraduate programs, you must have 45% or more marks in 10 plus 2. For PG programs, which means postgraduate programs, you must have graduation with 50% marks or more. Selection process is merit based for most of the UG and PG courses, but some programs also require entrance exams like JEE Main, CUET, CAT, XAT, and MAT. And programs like LLM and B.Ed involve entrance exam as well as interview. Now, let's talk about agency rankings. India Today ranked SRMU 62 for overall academic excellence in 2024 and IIRF ranked SRMU 119 for overall excellence in 2024 and 120 in 2023. So, now let's compare it with other universities. So if you check here, BBDU Lucknow is ranked 58 by IIRF. So the ranking for BBDU Lucknow is quite better than SRMU. Amity University Lucknow have not any rankings. Now let's talk about top recruiters. So the top recruiters are Amazon for e-commerce, and for IT there is Infosys and Capgemini, and there are other prominent recruiters as well, including Adani, Tata Steel, Adobe, Wipro, etc. You can read the full list here in this slide. Now, let's move on to key insights. So, academic strength comes first. We have NAC B plus accreditation in SRMU. 100 plus courses are there. Flagship programs include BTech, BCA, and BBA. It is recognized by UGC, AICTE, NCTE, and AIU. In financial considerations, we can see that the fee structure is competitive. Average fee is 2.5 lakh. There are plenty of scholarship opportunities based on entrance exam scores, and the ROI is good compared to other private universities. Let's talk about campus facilities. There is modern library with Koha software, which is integrated library management software. There are well-equipped laboratories for research, and there are separate hostels for boys and girls, which is very important. There are plenty of sports facilities, including basketball court and open gym area. Now, which college should you choose based on the interest? Okay, if you want to uh, get affordable quality education, then you should go with SRMU. If you want a balanced academic environment with decent placement opportunities, then again SRMU is good for you. If you're interested in BTech, BCA, or BBA programs with good return on investment, then SRMU is the college for you. If you value comprehensive campus facilities, including hostels, sports, and modern libraries, and you should consider alternatives if you want higher placement, as SRMU's placement are a bit low. Like BBTU has 8.4 LPA average package, and Amity has 8 LPA average package, but SRMU has 4.2 LPA. If you prioritize higher institutional rankings, so the BBTU had 58th ranking by IIRF, so it's better than SRMU. And if you're looking for specialized programs, which is not offered at SRMU. So the final thought is that SRMU offers good value for money. It has balanced education, it has decent placements, and it has comprehensive facilities at more affordable price. Now, let's talk about campus facilities in detail. So we have library, which is equipped with Koha integrated library management software, which provide modern and digitalized resources for students and faculties. There are well-equipped laboratories, and there are seminar halls, there are multiple seminar halls with latest audio facilities, comfortable pushback seats for presentation, guest lectures, and seminars. Now let's talk about scholarship opportunities. So for CUET scholarship 2025, if your percentile is 95.1 and above, you can get 100% of yearly tuition fee waiver. If you have between 90.1 to 95, then 100% of semester tuition fee will be waived. If you have between 80.1 to 90, then 50% of semester tuition fee will be waived. If you have 70.1 to 80, then 30% of semester tuition fee will be waived. If you have 50 to 70 percentile, then 20% of semester tuition fee will be waived. In postgraduate scholarships, if you have the score of 85.1 or above in graduation, then 100% of your yearly tuition fee will be waived. If you have between 80.1 to 85, then 100% of semester tuition fee will be waived. And if you have 70.1 to 80, then 50% of semester tuition fee will be waived. If you have 60.1 to 70, then 30% of semester tuition fee will be waived. Now, the important dates for 2025. For CUET UG 2025, exam dates were May 8 to June 1. Results were somewhere in July. For CUET PG 2025, last date to register was April 1, 2025. For JEE Mains Session 2, admit card was released on March 2025. Exam dates were April 2 to April 9, 2025, and results were somewhere in April. For SRMU application, the deadline is 31 August 2025. It is tentative. It is not decided yet. That's it. Thank you. And for more information, you can visit srmu.ac.in. I hope I was able to clear some of your queries. Thank you. That's it for this video.